I'm Miss Beth.
And I'm Miss Elna.
And we're part of the Art Club!
My name is Seth and I'm from the Sewing Club.
I'm Alex. I'm the leader of the Language Club.
I am Mr. Chester, the advisor for Woodwork.
Hi, I'm Mr. Joel and this is the Aquaponics Club.
Mr. Lowe, I run the Drama Club.
Then we have two special goals, each hopefully leading to an amazing long-term outcome.
Yes, Jericho, you are absolutely right. Our first goal is to welcome our amazing guests from Singapore, the Queensway Secondary School students, together with their teacher, Mr. Alvin Leo. Give them a warm up.
We're here, we're happy to have you here with us for the next few days. Okay, so we have prepared some welcome gifts for you at the back. So you can feel free to grab the gifts and then we also prepared drinks for you. You can take your time and settle in before we go out and meet for the assembly upstairs. Okay, so we'll be happy to get to know each one of you a little bit further. Yes, and feel free to grab your gifts and enjoy! Welcome to Woodwork team. We hope you will have a wonderful time with us and we hope that this is not our first and last time seeing each other.
I'm Miss Beth.
And I'm Miss Elna.
And we're part of the Art Club!
So, Miss Elna, why do you think your club is so special and different from the other clubs? What separates it?
That's your question. Oh, I'll take this question. I think that's because we're so creative and we have so much fun together. We get to make our campus beautiful and we also get to go out in the community and we have candy. So yeah, we're just pretty great.
Miss Anna, what do you think, what are your goals for the end of the school year for this club?
The goals would be to have all of the students in our club to go on an art field trip so that they can know what it means to use their painting skills for good.
My name is Seth and I'm from the Sewing Club, GID.
What do you want to achieve by the end of the school year as well as that?
What I want to achieve by the end of this school year for the Sewing Club is I would like to make products that we can make a profit of, like sell at the fair and stuff like that.
Why did you join the Sewing Club?
I joined the Sewing Club, one, because I like sewing, and two, because I like to do hands-on activities and make a product at the end.
What do you think Sewing Club is good?
I think the Sewing Club is good because it teaches skills and it also brings fun. Okay, like what's your plan for upcoming journey? I think right now we're just making products, and for the upcoming our plan is still to just continue it, and then when we have everything we're gonna sell it.
I'm Alex and I'm from grade 12, and as you know that I'm the leader of the language club, and my role is to help my members to teach the kids at our school and in the community. By far, I'm the leader of the marketing club where me and my members get to write a song and sing for Christmas, as well as for advertising for my marketing system in my language club.
So Alex, what do you think separates your club from all other clubs?
Okay, good question. The thing is that my club is the club that get to teach the kids at our school. And last month or 2 months ago, I led my group member to teach the kindergarten kids, where I let them play the games, sing, and dance. And my future plan is to get to teach the kids in the communities, especially in our city as well. It will happen soon.
So, by the end of the school year, what do you want to accomplish with
Okay, so by the end of the year, I like to accomplish with my class by saving up a lot of money so I can get my club to buy more materials and more learning, more teaching materials to provide in the society and for our schools too.
Alright, I am Mr. Chester, the advisor for Woodwork Club, and we have goals in mind already, and we're going to work with the student council. By January, we're going to create more tables that will be given out to the community, especially BDP. But as for now, we're making some products that we can sell, and then whatever the profit is, we're going to use it for the things that we needed also for woodwork. Well, with woodwork, these students, they're learning how to use their skills in carpentry that they can use every day, especially at home. So this is a good help especially for the members of the club. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Mr. Joel, and this is the Aquaponics Club at work at the moment. We are currently trying to build the system that we're hoping to get working over the next few Gecko Impact Days. We want to build a system with fish and plants that work together so that we can create an efficient farming system that other people can use around the city, that other schools can use. So that's our aim. We want to practice, experiment, find the best way to do farming, because most people these days live in cities, so we need to find good ways to grow food in the cities. So that's our mission. We've got lots of hard workers here. They're currently painting some of these things to make them a nice blue color, and that stops algae from growing inside, because we want to use these for fish later on. So the tilapia will be swimming around in here, and we'll be using their fish poop to feed our plants. Yeah, and that's it.
What is so special about Aquaponics? What separates this club from every other club?
So it's kind of a bit more of a scientific way of farming without using soil and with much less space, and we can grow really healthy plants that get lots of nutrients from fish waste and things like that. It's different to other clubs because the growing club, they're using soil for their plants. Other clubs are doing different things, so we're doing a bit of science, engineering, and growing at the same time.
I'm Mr. Lowe. I run the drama club, also known as the Stagecraft Club. I've got 20 very energetic Year 7 students that I'm working with.
Mr. Lowe, what are your goals for the student club?
Alright, so firstly for the students in the club, I want to develop their confidence in the form of some drama skills, so teaching them how to act in front of a crowd and moving them beyond their comfort zone. Secondly, we of course want to be a blessing to the community, so the skills that I've taught the students, they actually have been conducting workshops with some of the primary classes and hopefully some of the VDP classes as well, to teach some of the younger students some confidence and how to act.
What separates drama club from the rest of the club? What is so special about it?
Firstly, it's because we work on their own personal confidence as well. A lot of these kids are not naturals in front of a camera or on the stage, and just showing them that they actually have what it takes to pull off a good performance, and then also being able to bless some of the younger students by teaching them as well. We've also got a play that we've been working on, a skit set to an amazing rock song called Locked in a Cage by Skillet, and we're looking forward to performing that as well sometime around Christmas.
Thank you, sir.
No worries.
Nobody said action.
Yeah, so what was the question again?
And yeah, make profit.
So, do you have a question? Sorry. So you just want me to start talking?
Yeah, introduce
All right.
yourself. No, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay. So cut and then restart. Good.
Shut up.